Hey guys, this is Dominic from W Junction and WebDen. Just want to give a shout out to Eli. He always, he's always saying give us a shout out. So here's a shout out for you, Eli. Um, okay, today's quick video tutorial is how to install mod security with a hardened PHP to stop web shells and all those type of dangerous PHP functions getting into your server and eventually rooting it. Alright, first thing we're going to need to do, going to need to install mod security. This can be done through the Easy Apache stage, which is here. You'll find it in the shortlist options. That's about it. That's a easy way to install mod security. Okay, I'm just going to restart my web server. Okay, I found excuse me, I found this this place where to get a good set of mod security rules from, and I just created some unpacking commands and installing commands. So what we want to do is we want to copy and paste this. I'll put it in the thread. Okay, just run it here, copy and paste. Okay, should be done. Then you want to log out of cPanel or WHM. By the way, if you want great VPSs, go to WebDen. I created a custom kernel for you guys, secured with a whole bunch of stuff like Nginx, MySQL, and all that good stuff. Okay, so we go to mod security. These are all the logs that mod security has logged from the attacks of the C99 shell. Okay, we go to edit config. Okay, now it should come up as this. If you've done it, if it doesn't, you've done something wrong. Just follow the instructions. It's pretty simple. It's just that command. Okay, we're gonna go down here. This phrase here is the phrase that is going to come up when a person enters the shell URL. Okay, so default is 500 error. We're going to do a 403 error. Okay, and just save this configuration. Alright, and what we want to do is we want to go into our php.ini config. It's located here. I'll post this again in the thread, and we want to go nano and nano that file. Okay, then what we want to do is we want to, whoops, probably not what I want to do. Okay, we're going to find disable underscore function. Okay, it's going to come up with all, yours is going to be empty, but since it's a new php.ini, this is the one I posted earlier. I currently updated that to again block more of the more of the PHP functions, those dangerous functions. Alright, so simply what we want to do is we're going to go to W junction, and we want to go down to the thread that I made. And just simply copy and paste this like so. Alright, so you want to type in disabled underscore functions space equals space commas and that. So it's commaed off and knows what it's going to block. and just paste that there. Okay, then exit out of that. Okay, then what we want to do is restart Apache. Okay, once Apache has been restarted, we want to go into our C99 shell. Okay, this is just a test website that I made. As you can see, it's blocked the C99 shell. Actually, it's a R57 shell, just named 700 C99. I'm actually going to get the C99 shell from a website. To show you that it doesn't fully block the shell, but it does block all commands. If you get what I mean, it doesn't. Let me just make a PHP file. Just wait till that uploads. Okay, now we're going to go back to the C99. Okay. As you can see here, it's created an error log. And yeah, it's displaying our software. But what we're going to do now is we're going to try to access our php.info. Okay, it's going to block that so it doesn't actually show the PHP info. Trying to access that. There we go. Once we try to access a file, it's gonna display a 403 forbidden error, which is the one we edited before in cPanel. Yeah, that's about it. It should block all these commands here. We're gonna try the kernel version. Again, it's the 403. We'll try an attack on our kernel. Again, it's a 403. So there you go. You know, it blocks most shells. It blocks most commands, and yeah, you actually should be right. All these are the same thing. Just try execute this 403. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.